In conclusion, we have walked through all of the basics for streaming live on YouTube. We've looked at creating live streams from the event page, and we've looked at the various ways to make your video available, public, unlisted, and private. We looked at the setup for Google Hangouts so that you would be able to share your screen. And we looked at one of the easiest ways of going live, which is direct from your desktop. And we also walked through the process of going live using your mobile device. Now, given this, you should now have no problem going to your YouTube profile, going inside your Creator Studio, and determining a way that you want to do live streaming, knowing that you can do live streaming either as an event or direct with your webcam. And all of this means that you can create all kinds of content, including using slide presentations, as we showed you how to use Google Slides in order to have a different kind of interaction with your audience during your live stream. And finally, we looked at the paid application Restream.io, which allows you to stream to YouTube Live and Facebook Live simultaneously. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.